So example number 7, total number of students 25 girls and 15 boys, that is 40. Okay, so then the question
Yeah.
is, what is the probability name written on one on card of a girl? So how many girls are there? 25 girls. So it will be simple, means pg means p and girl, g for girl, so that is 25 upon 40, and when we simplify it, it will be 5 upon 8. So this is the probability for coming one girl's name on the card. Okay, same thing for the boys, that will be 15 upon 40, because total number of boys are 15. Okay, and then we can determine p boy taking 1, p boy equals to 1 minus the number, means probability of girl, means the that other formula, that one, that is pe equals to 1 minus e bar, if you remember that. Okay, so we use there
Yeah.
the number of
Yeah.
girls, that is 5 by 8, 1 minus 5 by 8, that is equals to 3 by 8, means we can use this one also. Okay, now read the example number 8.
A box contains 3 blue, 2 white, and 4 red marbles.
Yeah.
If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it'll be white, blue,
Yeah,
or red?
yeah. So first we add them. 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 4, 9. So total 9 marbles. So first question for the white, white marbles. Yeah. So how many white marbles are there? 2. So probability for white is 2 upon 9. Correct. And
Yeah.
for the blue, tell
It
me.
is 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3, I
Yeah.
guess.
When we simplify it, this is 1 by 3. And for the red,
4 red marbles, so 4 by 9.
yeah. So this is the probability for red marbles. Okay. And yeah. And if you want to check your answer is correct or not, for the white marble, that is 2 upon 9. For the blue marble, that is 1 upon 3. For the red marble, that is 4 upon 9. Add them. So what will you get? 9,
Oh yeah, we will get yeah
yeah,
9 by 9.
3 and 4. So it will be 9 upon 9. The total is 1 after cancellation. So means 1. Total means 1. 1 means the whole condition. So it means your answer is correct. Okay?
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Example 9.
Harpreet tosses 2 different coins simultaneously. Say one is of rupees and the other is of 2 rupees too. What is the probability that she gets at least one head?
Okay. Listen. 2 coins are there. It means head,
Yeah.
tail, head, tail. Correct? When we are tossing these 2 coins together, it means the probability, listen, what I am writing, it means when we are tossing them together, so probability, the first coin will be head, again the second is also head, the second coin will be tail, the second is first is also tail and second is also head. Third one, first is head and second one is tail.
Yeah.
Then fourth condition, first is tail and second one is head. Correct?
Yeah.
See, this is the condition. So the number of favorable outcome to E is 3. Is 3. Why we are taking 3? See, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, or tail, head. Both are the similar terms. So we are considering them 1. Then 1, 2, and 3. So total 3 possibility, 3 outcomes are there when we toss 2 different coins. So total number of outcome is 3 by 4. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. What is the probability that she gets at least one head? So for this, you can use this. If you are getting one head,
Yeah.
1 minus 1 upon 4. Number of head is 1 upon 4 out of 4 condition. Okay?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Example number 10.
In a musical chair game, the person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts. What is the probability that she will stop within the first half minute after starting?
Okay. Possible outcomes are all the numbers between 0 and 2. Okay, correct. This is the portion of number line 0 to 2. All the conditions, all the happenings are between 0 and 2. Okay. Then let E be the event of the music stop within the first half minute. Outcome for the E in the on the number line, that is 0 to 1 by 2, means because it is first half. So 0 to 1 by 2. This is the first half. Then the distance from 0 to 2 is overall 2. And while the distance from 0 to 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, then since all the outcomes are equally likely, so we can argue that the total distance of 2, the distance favorable of the event, is 1 by 2. Means you can say Huria, see, 0 and 2. You have to reach 0 to 2. And condition is you
Yeah.
have to take half minute gap. So half, 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 half. 4 times, five
Okay.
times. Multiples means what number of times 1/2 we get, and at least means they are. I'm trying to say they are equally divided for reaching 0 to 2. So this is the favorable distance of 1/2. Means if you are getting me, when we are trying to reach 0 to 2 and the equal distance is 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So that is the reason favorable outcome is 1/2, because we are covering half distance. The question is
Yeah.
we have to take for half minute to complete 0 to 2 minute. Okay, so probability distance
Yeah.
favorable of event upon total distance. Total distance is 2 because we have to cover the 2, and favorable outcome is 1/2. So final probability is 1/4. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Example 11.
A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region shown in figure 14.2. What is the probability that it has crashed inside the lake shown in the figure?
Okay. Helicopter is equally likely to crash anywhere in this region. Okay. Area of the entire region. First we find the area. So that is 4. Okay. See. This is 6. So this is 3. And this is 2. So this is 2.5. Correct? So
Yeah.
basically it is a L
Yes.
and B. So 4.5 multiplied by 9, that is 40.5 kilometer. This is the area of the rectangle. Okay. And area of the lake. 3 multiplied by 2.5. Correct? So area of the lake is 7.5. So probability of helicopter crashed in the lake dash divided means area of lake is divided by the total area. So that is 5/27. Okay.
Okay, 1 minute, ma'am. Let me write this.
Okay.
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, wrote.
Yeah. Question 12.
A carton consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects, and 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will reject the shirts which have major defects. One shirt is drawn at random from the carton. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Jimmy and it is acceptable to Sujata?
Yeah. Total are 100 and
Yeah.
88 are good and 8 have minor defects. So 88 and 8, 96 plus 4. Okay. And it is
Yeah, this
accepted.
one
Yeah. Tell me what are you saying?
Yeah, this one is easy. Like, I can understand.
Yeah.
Like, the number for Jimmy would be like simply by 88 by 100.
Yes,
And
because
for Sujata, it would basically be 100 minus 4. Because
yeah,
like 4 have major defects.
yeah. And
Which would be 96
Jimmy
by
only
100.
wanted the good one, and Sujata do not want the major
Yeah.
defect. Okay. So this is
Yeah.
9.6 and this is
Yeah.
0.88. Okay. 13th one.
2 dice, 1 blue and 1 gray, are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, less than or equal to 12?
Yes, Surya. 2 dices. Condition number 1 is 8. So what will how means what is the possibility? First thing is 2 and 6. Second is one dice has 3. Second dice has 5. Third condition is 4 and 4.
4 and 4.
And then
Yeah.
5 and 3 is repeated. 6 and 2 is also repeated. Means this is the condition for the 8. Okay.
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay. See. Sum of two numbers is 8. So 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. Okay, they count it. So total number of favorable outcome is 5. And how?
Oh, they're doing it like that. Okay.
Yeah. How many total possibilities? One dice has 6 possibilities. Second dice has 6 possibilities. So that is 36 possibilities. So this will be the denominator, and total outcome is 5. So 5/36 for the probability of 8. When we diced it, and the sum of the numbers are 8. So this is the possibility for the 8.
Wait, how is the number of possible outcomes 36? I thought that it would be 12.
No, Hurya, no. See? For the dice 1, for the dice 2. See? एक
Oh, yes. Okay, okay, okay.
condition 1 2 3 4
Yeah,
5
okay,
and
okay.
6. So 6 6 are 2 2 2 2 2 2 2
Yeah.
2. So 6 6 are 36. Okay, because we are
Okay.
we are rolling it two dices together, not one. Okay, same thing for the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
same thing for the outcome favorable sum of 13. So 13 13.
It won't be possible
Yeah,
because like 6 is the maximum, so 6 plus 6 is 12.
yeah, 6 and 6 is 12, and you can means when you if you take 6 and 7 is 13, so 7 is not possible.
Yeah.
8 and 5 is 13, so 8 is not possible, so total outcome is 0. Okay, and then
Yeah. Yeah.
the last one is sum of the two number is less than or equal to 36, so it will be 1. 36 or equal
Yeah.
to means we do not greater than 36 because it is not possible, so it is all or equal to the 36 or less than, so it is 36 by 36, total outcome is 36, and total probability is 36, so it is overall 1. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. Okay, exercise we will discuss it in the next class.